Dear students, today I am handling with the management accounting. Fifth sem of BCom students of Calicut University. One subject is management accounting or accounting for management. What is management accounting? We all know what is accounting. Accounting means financial accounting. Financial accounting deals with the financial statements, which includes income statements and the balance sheet, which we know to know the profit and the financial position of the business. But in case of management accounting, that is used to assist the management in take decisions and plans and make policies. So accounting for management is known as management accounting. That is the simplest definition given by the boss. That management accounting is accounting for effective management. So what is the accounting techniques which we are using in the management to assist the management or to make the management effective? That is known as management accounting. So financial accounting is just for external purposes. We all know financial statements are for the proposed investors and also shareholders, and also we are preparing the financial statements for government. Because their shareholder has to know what is the share value of their shares or how much profit they have earned. But the investors has to know how much money they have invested and what is the return for them. But in case of management accounting, that is internal purpose. That is internally for the management. We have to scrutinize what are the techniques which are used in the management. One of the important definition given by the J. Batty, that includes the nature and functions in a cut short way. See, management accounting is the term used to describe accounting methods. What are the accounting methods? That is cash basis methods, also accrual basis methods also is there. And then systems. What are the systems? Systems is cost accounting, financial accounting, tax accounting, government accounting, etc. And what are the techniques used? That is ratio analysis, budget control, standard costing, fund flow, cash flow. These are the techniques used in the management accounting, and which coupled with the special knowledge. In management accounting, they should have the special knowledge and ability to assist the management. So all these techniques are used especially to assist management in the task of maximizing profit and minimizing losses. So what is the purpose of this management accounting? To maximize the profit and minimize the losses. To maximize the profit means to increase the share value of the business. Because we all know every business profit is reflected in share values. Recently Kalyan's group has declared, they issued their shares. For the 10 rupees values share was issued to the public 89 rupees. So that means their 10 rupees share value is increased to 89 rupees. So that is they are getting more profits. So maximizing profit is the aim of management accounting. And so when we are assisting the management has to take to discharge functions, planning, decision on behalf of shareholders and policies, and to create periodical reports. In management accounting, periodic reports very important because they have to prepare reports for the internal purpose, not external purposes. So from that we can understand how the business is going on, whether they have to be taken any corrective measures, etc. So periodical report is very important in management accounting. So is in the COVID period, we all know that we are using mask and health workers are using PP kits, etc. In case of umbrella making unit is not working at all because they are not getting demands. Nobody is going outside. All are in the rooms in online classes, etc. So students are not going outside. Buses are not working. So what is happening? Umbrella making units are making losses. So what they have to do? They have to think. They have to estimate. They have to plan. In another way, they have to use an extra unit of making PP kit or mask. So for example, if an umbrella making unit has making a small extra unit MPK, that means mask, PP kit, etc. making a unit. So they have to make more profit. So for that purpose, the top level management has to think in advance. How much demand should be there? How much time the pandemic, the COVID will be there? So how much PP kits has to produced? How much mask has to be produced? So seeing, forecasting, estimating, planning, and policy making. That is the essence of management accounting. So we all know that these two definitions you have to be studied very much. So every year questions are asking from what is management accounting. So in simple way you can answer with these two definitions. And also we have to understand what is the nature. What is the nature of management accounting? That is, nature of the management accounting is different from financial accounting. So what is estimates, forecast, and it's not statutory. Estimates I have told. In case of PP kits, we have to think in advance. How many units has to be? How many packets has to be? How many masks have to be produced? That estimate. We have to forecast for a period. Forecasts are made making on the basis of estimates. And this management accounting is not statutory. But in case of financial accounting, that is statutory. This management accounting is not statutory. That is for the internal purpose of the management. And this management accounting is not independent. But financial accounting is independent. I mean, dependent means management accounting is dependent on cost accounting and financial accounting. Because management accounting using data obtained from financial accounting and cost accounting. That is helpful to the management. And also, this is a means of communication from the top level management to lower level management. All the policies and the plans should be communicated. Management accounting uses tools and techniques also. What are the tools and techniques? We have already studied that tools and techniques are ratio analysis, budgetary control, margin costing, etc. They are using to get the correct information in the relevant manner. And also management accounting given not only quantitative data but also qualitative data. Financial accounting gives only quantitative data, the statements in a digital manner in a database. But in case of management accounting, it gives qualitative aspect also information or qualitative aspect of a data. That means it should be relevant. That means it should be reliable to every person and it should be understandable to the users. When the persons are using the management accounting, they have to understand the information correct way. And then it should be comparable. That is also a qualitative aspect of management accounting. Comparable means we have to compare the firm's accounts with the other firms or inter-firm comparison. That also has to be done. So that is also related to management accounting. So management accounting, in cut short, you have to understand that management accounting which helps the management to take actions effectively. Okay, thank you.